We've all seen the headlines: banks teetering on the edge, inflation creeping higher, and recession fears looming. So, what does that mean for you? As an American retiree, you've spent years building your wealth. Now, it's time to protect it. But how? Right now, you're probably asking, how can I make my wealth truly recession ready? Well, I've got the answer. And before you dismiss it, hear me out, because this could be a game changer for your future. Let's talk about gold IRAs. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how some people manage to protect their wealth during times of economic uncertainty while others lose it all? It's not magic, it's strategy. And that strategy? Gold. In times like these, when inflation is rising and the markets are unpredictable, gold has always been the go-to asset for preserving wealth. Think about it. When everything else crashes, gold tends to go up. It's not just a commodity, it's a safe haven. And it's especially important for retirees like you who need to make sure their hard-earned savings aren't eroded by inflation or market volatility. Now, let's talk numbers. Recent economic reports have shown that the U.S. economy is facing headwinds. Banks are under stress, the stock market is volatile, and inflation continues to erode the value of the dollar. In fact, the Consumer Price Index, CPI, shows inflation is higher than it's been in decades. That's a problem for your retirement savings, especially if you're relying on traditional investments. But here's the thing, you don't have to let these factors threaten your retirement. A gold IRA allows you to protect your wealth from inflation and economic downturns. It's a strategy that not only preserves value, but can also grow when traditional assets struggle. Here's the secret that most people don't realize. Gold IRAs aren't just for the ultra-wealthy. They're for everyday Americans who want to safeguard their savings. And I'm not talking about some risky, speculative gold trading. A gold IRA is a retirement account that lets you hold physical gold, ensuring your savings are not subject to the whims of the stock market or inflation. But there's more. You may be wondering, is a gold IRA right for me? The answer depends on your situation, and I'm here to help you figure that out. That's why I'm offering you a free gold IRA guide, tailored to your needs as an American retiree with at least $100,000 in your IRA or 401k. But don't worry if your savings are less than that. We've got a guide for you too, no matter what your financial situation is. You've worked hard to build your wealth. Your retirement should be a time to enjoy the fruits of that labor, not to watch your savings shrink because of market instability. So if you want to learn more about how to make your wealth recession ready, take action now. Click the link in the description for your free guide and complimentary, no-obligation call with one of our experts. We'll help you figure out if a gold IRA is the right fit for you. No pressure, no gimmicks, just education and real solutions. Remember, this isn't about gimmicks or free silver offers. This is about you protecting what you've worked so hard to build. This is your chance to take control of your financial future. So, don't wait. Act now and make sure your retirement stays secure no matter what the economy throws your way. You've earned it. Your family's future deserves it. Let's make sure your wealth is truly recession ready.